is, right? Good, man, good.
You got all this right here?
So the shop started in about 4 blocks down there here in Palmview. 2 brothers started the shop in the back of their mom's house. And then Inez Lopez is always, he was known for, he worked for Big H here in Palmview.
Okay.
They did a lot of bag trucks and a lot of custom work. After a while, they realized that the fabrication takes a long time, like months, 6 months, 8 months, a year to do trucks. So he designed the control arms from scratch and welded them together, and then that's how the idea sparked and went for that. So they went to a small 2-bay shop and then just grew and grew, and then we just grew some more, and then we just finally building our headquarters. We got a massive cafeteria for all the employees and stuff like that. So we went from like a 3-man show to now a little over 80 employees. So,
wow. Damn, that's badass. So, that is badass.
It's grown, man. You know, it's growing. It's going fast. The IC, it just took off, man.
That's good. And
so
I hear you guys, the place on camera, you guys are going to SEMA?
Yes. Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, we are going to SEMA. This year will be our first year for exhibiting at SEMA.
Okay.
So for IC, it's a huge milestone for the company.
Oh, yeah, big time.
You know, we've gone the last 3 or 4 years to SEMA to see the show.
To spectate. Just
to spectate and stuff, and we finally pulled the trigger this year. We're actually planning on taking 2 trucks, so we'll see. We had brainstormed before about making a post and see if we can get some people that maybe want to collab and stuff like that for yourself. So we'll see. We'll see what the future holds for us. But
for sure.
Let's go check it out, man. Let's check it out.
So guys, we're here at IC Suspension in Palmview, Texas. Now these guys sponsored the 3.5. It's an adjustable 3.5 to 4.6 kit. We have it currently set up on a 3.5, and they also got us taken care of with the performance track bars. Is that what they are, Lisandro?
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
And this is we got the traction bars. We got the 3.5 adjustable sitting on a 3.5. Sits perfect, runs good. We put it to the test on the track. It hooks and it moves. Yeah, it moves. Good. Now we haven't tested it with the new horsepower that we got, the 700 horsepower, but we're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna take it back to the track.
Nice.
Pero, yeah, guys, if you guys want to get any kind of drop kits, IC, they ship out everywhere. If you can they pick up here?
We don't have a local pickup here, but we have a preferred dealer that J&J Motorsports is our authorized dealer that does that you guys can pick up your local stuff from.
In the valley. And if you're not from here, they can ship anywhere. Just like they shipped it out to us in Houston. So if you guys want to get anything for your GM, Serato, Sierras, Fords, Rams, I mean, the años, you got.
We have we cover the Chevy model all the way from 63 all the way to 2026. And then
2026 now.
Or 25, 26, yeah. And then we have the F150 platform starts at 2015 all the way to 2025. Okay. And then on our Ram 4th gen, which is from the 09 all the way to 18. And we cover the 5th gen, which is 19 plus.
Okay.
On the Dodge Ram. We don't have anything import, all domestic. We stuck with all domestic. So yeah, the F150's are probably one of our biggest.
It's a big platform.
It's a big, huge platform. Yeah. So we're super excited that we were able to collab on this one. The truck looks beautiful. We see it all the time online, and to see it in person, it's a different thing.
That's why I wanted to bring it over so you guys can check it out. Because I mean, like I said, you guys were one of the sponsors on this build, and
yeah.
Then we're going to the valley. Might as well bring it out here.
Why not, right? Yeah, definitely.
Why not? So
that's awesome, man.
But yeah, with that, we'll probably even unload it and stuff and take some pictures.
Yeah, most definitely. I have my truck here too, so we can pair it up with mine. Ace has a good little plan. Maybe we do some rolling shots. Take them out on the strip. I don't have any traction bars on mine just because I just boosted mine. Mine's a little different setup. You'll be impressed with that too. So you guys check that out. I went with the same wheel combination too. As far as tire size, I got some billet specialties on mine, so we'll check that one out too. So. Yeah, it's a different setup. It's a perfect setup for the Texas heat. So,
air to air.
Yeah, when you do it air to air, it's definitely not.
It's the first time I see yeah.
You guys haven't seen one?
I haven't seen a Pro Charger one. Almost all of them have been just whip them.
Let me write it up.
Yeah, Pro Charge. I mean, we have Pro Charge on our Serato. Church sound, bro? It sounds really good. Sounds good. I don't hear that on mine. It's pretty quiet. It really doesn't whine at all. Say it's got more of the power on the low end, like it's instant.
Yeah, I love the Whipple setup. It's great. I think it's badass. I wanted to do something different. I wanted to be a little different. I grew up in the older days with the 5.0s, and that's all there was, Vortex. So I'm glad that they made one for this model. So it worked out great for me. So yeah, man, it's badass. It runs. We did some pulls earlier, and it does really well. So.
Okay. ¿La calamos, güey?
Yeah, if you want to, we can try them. You'll probably beat me, but we can try them. I know. I don't like to lose, but it's okay. I don't know if you had seen before, like we used to do a lot of installs. So this shop, we had another business that we used to run here, which is J&J Motorsports. Okay. And they just moved facility. This used to be their spot. Of course, this all belongs to IHC, right? But they were here. They were using the spot, doing a lot of the installs for local guys. We did very well, but Noe wanted to expand a little bit. He wanted to get a bigger shop, so he decided to move and stuff.
So now you guys are doing it here.
We have it here. So we use this. We use this area here for a lot of R&D. So we'll bring in a truck, tear it apart, put it on together, see what fits, what doesn't fit, modify, stuff like that. Engineers do a lot of that. That's what we use the shop for. That's why my truck was up there earlier, because they were going to do some traction bars and stuff, try to make sure everything was still working like it's supposed to.
So y'all don't use it to do like customer drops and stuff like that? It's more.
At this point, we don't. No, the owners used to do it in the back of their house, right? When they first started, they had a shop. They used to do it. Us as IHC, we're not doing them yet. We haven't really done a full service site just yet, just because of a lot of other projects that we have going on. So we're gonna go through this door right here, guys, and then we'll go over some stuff, and then get you guys a quick tour, man.
Good kid too. Yeah.
Te lo mandó el Pablo.
Yeah. So shout out to my boy Pablo from MVP Moldings. Got this one for the new OBS. Just gonna slap it on.
Right now, we'll take a quick tour, and then I'll just let you know what you can record, and then we'll go from there. Yeah. You guys do your own editing, and then after that, if you want, you can do some more talking, interviewing. If not, we can take a cruise in the trucks and
do some rollers.
Do some rollers, yeah. Okay. So we'll start off this way.
Cut to behind the scenes.
This is our shipping area, right? So. A lot of people are like, oh, we don't have anything. Well, we don't have anything because we ship a lot every day. We usually ship anywhere between 200 orders a day. We have a lot of product, as you guys can see where it's at. By the time it gets here, 9 times out of 10, by the time the product is being cut or ready to prepare to make, it's already sold. So.
Awesome. No, ni aguantan en los shelves, bro. They'd be flying off the shelf.
like that.
Con pan caliente.
This is Mr. IHC. These are the guys from down there.
How's it going? Where you guys visit us from?
Houston. Just check you guys out. You guys helped us put together a 2023 F-150 Coyote. So we're in the area. We came to drop off a giveaway truck, and we wanted to bring the truck down here so you guys can check it out.
Oh, sweet. Somebody here from the Valley one?
Yeah, Austin, Texas. A la vuelta.
Yeah, right.
Oh, just down the
the street.
Wow, lucky guy.
Yeah, he won a 2020 F-150 Coyote.
Sounds good, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So this next area here, guys, it's the CNC department. It's where a lot of the billet cap comes. A lot of our front control arms, our adjustables come from. You guys can see we're still in under construction in a lot of areas. So we'll shut off the camera right here at this entrance, and then we'll go around. Okay.
You were looking at the feeder road. Did you
For a
notice?
second, yeah, and we'll replay that clip right now because this way has it on his phone.
Oh, you got it on your phone?
No, mama, mira con el steering wheel. The fucking steering wheel's all like this, and then like. This, I'm like, yeah.
I know, we took off and de repente ya no te miren a look and you're
In my head, I was like, ain't no more SEMA truck. Nah, like, I got this bitch, I'm not gonna let go.
Nah,
Welcome to the valley, boys.
That was a good runway. It sounds fucking amazing. That blow-off valve? Yeah. We get neck to neck, and I was like, God, motherfucker sounds good. I could tell when you're downshifting because.
Oh, you can hear it?
Up, yeah.
I actually just ordered that same muffler that you have. I'm doing the true dual. I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm not gonna tell you what it is until I show it to you. Okay. It's gonna be a little surprise on the exit, on the exhaust. So it would be an X pipe with that same muffler, that MagnaFlow with the X.
Bro, si Dios lo sabe, lo sepa el mundo.
Yeah.
It's a valley thing, güey.
This is the first one I do actually running it. I mean, besides hitting it on the feeder on the way back from the shop to get the feel for it. That's why I was like 40s. Like fuck 40s. Like we can't do that shit.
No, the thing is, I tell you right now, if you have 35 pounds, I mean, you gotta put like even like this right now when you're going to show it or drive it around. Yeah. I'm gonna ponlas at 18 pounds, and then when they warm up, it'll go up to 20, and you'll be good. Yeah, that's why I run mine on 18 pounds, pretty low, 16, 18 pounds,
16, 18 pounds.
all the time.
Porque after the first one that we did, que se hizo sideways, after that, it started gripping better.
Yeah.
Ya se habían calentado. You know, it shut off traction after that. So whenever we did a U-turn, I was like, hold on, my traction it turned off again, so I had to turn it. It turned back on, so I had to turn it off again.
Yeah.
But,
He was like, nah, you need this on.
yeah, you need this shit on. It was a good run. So we did a little tour here at IEC Suspension, guys, at the headquarters. Well, you guys are finishing the headquarters.
Yes,
so you guys
that's
showed
correct.
us everything behind the scenes. Now, unfortunately, we could not bring the cameras behind those closed doors for, you know, privacy issues or, you know, just.
Yeah.
But it was a blast to kind of check out the whole progress, check out what they do, check out how this kit was made and how a lot of other kits that you guys might be running or want to run. So if you guys want to get one for your truck, Ram, Chevy, Silverado, same thing, Chevy Sierras, and Fords, hit up the guys at IEC Suspension. Tell them Troqueano sent you guys. They'll get you hooked up. They just told me you ship in what? Canada, Alaska,
We ship to
overseas?
Canada. We ship to Alaska. We have dealers in Canada, Alaska. We ship. We actually have dealers in Qatar, Dubai, Hawaii. We ship all over the place internationally. Yeah. So yeah, we managed to have a good team behind us. UPS does a lot of that. The international, we ship to Mexico, so we have a lot of customers, and La Raza Mexicana, you know, they don't want to be left. They don't want to be left out. So definitely, we ship all over the world. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So
Well, if you guys want to get some, no matter where you guys are at, hit them up.
Yeah.
We'll put their Instagram aquí on the screen. We'll put it on the bio. I mean, we tag each other on the videos too and photos and all that. So hopefully we'll be working on something big here pretty soon. You guys stay tuned for that. I don't know if you guys have a YouTube channel también or no?
we do have a YouTube channel. We actually just got it back. We had it had been asleep for a little while, but we actually got it back.
Hibernation.
So we actually this year with Ace's help, we've actually brought it back, woken it up. We'll be doing a lot more posting on YouTube. So yeah, definitely. I appreciate you guys coming by, man. It's a beautiful truck. Like I said, we had been anticipating to see it in person, and it doesn't disappoint. You did a badass job with it. It looks everything from the color scheme to wheels, everything. I'm glad the suspensions worked out really well,
wish I pretty
except for
damn
some
good.
of those 40 rolls, right? But yeah,
But we found the issue with that.
yeah.
You're gonna run 18 pounds instead of 35.
Yeah, then just a little bit of adjustment on those track bars, you'll be fine. So yeah, but no, we did have fun. I appreciate you bringing by the truck and you guys coming by. I hope you guys had a good time. I got some gear for you guys before you guys head out. And then whatever else you guys need, let me know. Just real quick, I know we talked about it earlier, and I'll just go ahead and say it on your channel if you don't mind. So we are going to be heading out to SEMA. IHE will be exhibiting for the very first time. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for Juan and Israel with Troqueando and us. We have probably a little surprise. We're going to work out the details here in the next few months, and then you never know. You never know. We might come out with something to surprise everybody. So SEMA definitely is a big show at the end of the year. So
It gets good.
if you guys attend the show or heard about it, if you haven't heard about it, look it up. But yeah, it's a massive show. It's a great international show. Everybody's out there, so stay tuned, and we'll see what we'll come up with.
And then it's in Vegas.
That's right, Vegas.
We get to
That's
go
right.
work and have some fun. So
Yep.
yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Y'all make sure I hit the subscribe también with IC Suspension. Hit them up on Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. Order your job kits. And I don't know, bro.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate it. Thank you guys for coming by.
Yes, sir.
Definitely.
Estamos, bro.
Carnal, estamos.
Estamos.